BMW is bringing back one of its most legendary names, but not in the way you expect. The name M10 isn't just another badge, it's history. It's the engine that helped build BMW into what it is today. And now, for 2027, imagine that legacy reborn into something completely new. This is the all-new BMW M10 2027 Concept, and it might be the boldest move BMW has made in decades. Let's start with the design. At first glance, the 2027 M10 doesn't look like any BMW you've seen before. It follows the brand's new Neue Class design philosophy: clean, futuristic, and aggressively minimal. The front features a redesigned kidney grille, now fully illuminated and seamlessly integrated into the body. It's no longer just a grille, it's a statement. The headlights are razor-thin, stretching across the front like a single light bar, giving the car a high-tech, almost concept car feel. From the side, you'll notice sharp body lines, flush door handles, and large aerodynamic wheels designed to maximize efficiency. But here's where it gets interesting: the size and proportions. Unlike modern oversized sedans, the M10 2027 goes back to compact roots. It's smaller, lighter looking, and clearly inspired by the original spirit of lightweight driving machines. That alone could make it a driver's dream. Now let's talk about performance. BMW hasn't officially confirmed specs, but based on their 2027 direction, the M10 is expected to be either fully electric or a high-performance hybrid. And if it follows BMW M philosophy, it won't just be fast, it'll be engaging. We're likely looking at around 400 to 500 horsepower in the base performance version, with instant torque delivery thanks to electric motors. That means 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in under 4 seconds easily. But speed isn't everything. BMW is focusing heavily on driving feel, even in electric models. That means precise steering, balanced weight distribution, and a chassis tuned for real drivers, not just straight-line performance. And if BMW really wants to honor the original M10 legacy, expect something else: tuning potential. The original M10 engine became legendary partly because of how tunable and durable it was. It even formed the base for Formula One engines, producing insane power figures. So don't be surprised if this new M10 becomes a favorite among enthusiasts looking to modify and personalize their cars. Now step inside, and everything changes. The interior of the M10 2027 is completely futuristic. Gone are traditional dashboards. Instead, you get a full-width panoramic display powered by BMW's next-gen iDrive system. There are minimal physical buttons, with most controls handled through touch, voice, or even gesture. The steering wheel is redesigned, flatter and more compact, giving it a sporty, almost racing-inspired feel. Sustainability is also a huge focus. Expect recycled materials, vegan leather options, and a cabin designed to feel premium without harming the environment. But here's the real question: is it still a true BMW? That's where things get interesting. Purists might argue that going electric loses the soul of classic BMW performance. No engine sound, no raw mechanical feel, just silent speed. But others will say this is evolution, because at its core, the original M10 wasn't about noise or drama, it was about innovation, reliability, and performance. And in that sense, this 2027 version might be the most accurate tribute possible. So, should you be excited? Absolutely. If BMW gets this right, the M10 2027 could redefine what a modern performance car looks and feels like. It blends heritage with future technology, simplicity with power, and nostalgia with innovation. And in a world full of oversized, overcomplicated cars, something smaller, sharper, and driver-focused might be exactly what enthusiasts have been waiting for. The legend might be returning, but this time, it's electric.